To tell you a story. A story of the railway series, but a remake by me. This will be the remakes of the railway series, plus season 3 and 5. And still were 6 engines, but not what you see. There was Henry, Gordon, and Edward, but 3 others. There was 98462, 87451, and an engine named E. Him, and they would tease Edward and, make fun of him. But one day, Edward's driver told him, "Would you like to go out today?" And Edward wasn't delighted and accepted. So Edward went to the turntable, went there, and turned it, and then went to go get the coaches. He made it to the station, and cleared the coaches. Be careful with us, the other engines don't. Well, Edward been careful and coupled them up one by one. And then they went to the station. When they got to the station, they picked up the passengers, but they were waiting for this guard. They waited and waited until something happened. He was not there. Until he came and blew the whistle. Peep. Phew. Okay, let's go, said Edward. Edward was going from Nafford to Aylesbridge. So Edward went. He stopped at Tidmouth. Then he would go places. Made it past Henry's Tunnel. Then went to go to Aylesbridge. Go to Wainswood next by Crosby. Then Edward made it to Crosby. Went to go get with them his trucks, his coaches. And then after when the car blew his whistle full, the second and final time he went to go to his final stop, Wainswood. And then when he made it to Wainswood, he stopped it and waited. When all the passengers were gone, the driver pulled his whistle. One more final time, and then Edward went off. Edward made it back to the shed, and he told the engines about what had happened today, about all what happened. But he didn't hear them because he was so tired he fell asleep immediately. And that. But he will help Gordon with something. But that will be another story for next time.